So now I'm the furniture guy. Good morning guys, it's been a minute. I haven't vlogged this whole month. Actually, I did try to vlog at the first week of July, and it didn't happen because I was so hungover from my trip. I actually got sick after that, so I needed to take a break, and now I'm back. It's August 2nd. Happy new month everybody. I'm just about to record my video for planning for August, because last month I didn't plan for July, and let me tell you, July just flew by. I was not as productive. So I'm just about to plan my month, and you guys know I take you through the process. So I'm done recording that YouTube video. I just quickly wanted to show you my board here. I have a lot of stuff that I had written to do, and this stuff has been pending for the past like 4 weeks or so. Yesterday I decided to get some stuff done, and guess what? I don't know if you guys can hear the washing machine, but it's so loud. I get to tick off some of the things that I'm so excited. I finally finished editing the how to use the journal video, and I actually did send out all the emails and automated everything I wanted to automate. So the 5% discount, 10% discount, there's a bunch of stuff, affiliate marketing, I did that. There's a did I do that? Anyway, there's a bunch of stuff that I have to do, but I'm so proud of myself because I can finally tick off so many things. Even here for my work stuff, I can tick off the flyers. I made flyers for work and everything. So yeah, it feels so good to tick some things off my to-do list, and I'm one of those people. Yes, I do have a journal where I write everything, where I do my plans, but sometimes it's nice to see things visually to always remind yourself. So as I'm walking every day to go to my room, I see this. If I'm coming to the kitchen, it's the first thing I see. So if I'm leaving the house also, it's the first thing I see. And then it always reminds me, girl, you got to do this. I have receipts over here, and I was working on them yesterday. That is why my table is a mess. It's full of receipts from work. I'm gonna go into work real quick and see how everything is going, see that all the inventory is there before I edit my video and upload it today, because it's my plan for August video, and it's Monday 2nd August, and it cannot be later than today, so I need to edit that. And yeah, I will check in with you guys later. Just about to get started recording a TikTok, and I'm looking for something to wear. Guess what? I've packed all my clothes because I'm moving again. I'm done living in Airbnbs. I'm moving to a real apartment. Of course, it's a much smaller space, but I don't know, it's going to be nice to make it my personal space. I'm super excited for that. But the real problem here is I don't have clothes to record my TikToks. You know what the worst thing anyone can ever do for themselves is open TikTok when they just wake up. It's 10:30. I've been up for the past maybe 2 hours, but I've been on TikTok. I didn't work out, nothing. Really, Sheila? Really? Anyway, let's just move on from here. So I'm not going to work out. I'm just going to create a TikTok because I have to go to work I have to be at work in the next 1 hour and a half. So I'm going to edit a TikTok, take a shower, and just go to work. Of course, I'm going to be late for work. Well, not late. I have 18 minutes to get work started. What did I want to say? When I don't start my morning off with my proper morning routine, it's just so weird. I managed to upload some TikToks, and I've been slacking. I don't know if I mentioned this. I've been slacking so much with creating content. That means my sales have seriously plunged. I know a few vlogs ago I was saying, oh my god, I'm making money in my sleep. Well, not anymore, because I was slacking, so I need to put in the work. Anyway, let me run to work, and let me run to work. I hate IKEA so much. Oh my god, we've been here for such a long time to buy only these few things, a bed and a mirror. Today is the day that I'm moving. It's Saturday. I haven't picked up a camera in a couple of days, mostly because I haven't been that productive on my own business and life. So, oh my god, I haven't worked out in like 3 days. I last worked out on Tuesday. So much for getting back on track. But I've been up and down the stairs moving journals and taking my stuff from all the way. I live on the 4th floor and we have no elevator here, so I had to go up down more than 30 times today. I'm so freaking tired. Anyway, I can't wait for you guys to see my new apartment. It's very minimalistic. It's like very different from this Airbnb because this space is big. Imagine the irony of moving to a smaller space for a higher price. That is so weird, but that's what's happening in this world. That is the condo life. Wait. Oh my god. My mouth is so dry, I'm so sorry. Anyway, let me go on, let me finish the boxes. This is what I have left. And yeah, some stuff here. And some in the room. Bye house, I'm going to miss you so much. Let's officially get into this crib. There's stuff everywhere right now, but this is basically it. The kitchen is over here. I have some journals here. Guys, we need to do something about this. I've told you about my journal business. Don't forget to support a sister. I have some here. I have some here, some at work. I believe this place has a storage space, but I don't know where it is, and because of that I'm deciding to keep the journals here for a bit. But this place is too tiny to keep them in the same space, so I need to find that storage space. My god, I'm so freaking tired, but everything is here. And the view, if I can get through these boxes, oh my god, they're in the way. I already bought some stuff. I bought this mirror from IKEA yesterday. It's a full-length mirror. I also got a bed, but there is a missing part, so I cannot assemble the bed yet. I'm just going to leave a mattress. This is the space. From this side, that's a little divider, so it's an open concept. My kitchen is over there. That's a little bit of my living area, which I'm going to design to, I don't know, we'll see how that goes. This is what we have outside. The balcony is quite big. This is here to over there. And so many apartments in Montreal. This is Griffin town, Montreal. So I'm going to start organizing some of my things, put out my mattress, clean up a little bit. Actually, I need to go get a drink because this is going to be a very long night. And I will show you guys this place when I'm done kind of decorating. Not done, but I'm not even in a hurry to decorate. I'm just going to take baby steps with this decoration thing. You know, one thing I really hate is building stuff. I'm just about to assemble my work table and I'm dreading it. I also noticed that I haven't paid for my water, so I can't spend the night here. I'm just putting everything together. It's 15 minutes to 10 and I'm just going to put the table up. I can't set up the bed because they're missing pieces, so I'm just setting stuff up. This is all I have left to organize, this counter and this little suitcase over here, plus this bag, which is, I think, is just shoes and bathroom stuff. Oh, I have more bags here. I've already organized my closet. I think it's the other way around. The light here is terrible. That's why I bought another light, which is over here, that I also have to assemble. It's just right here. So yeah, all this is IKEA stuff. So it's the morning after and that's all I did. I haven't managed to do anything. The table is not up yet. I told you I'm terrible with building stuff. I need to go get a toolbox to do this stuff because I realized I don't have a screwdriver, a drill and all those things. I also still have no water, but I spent the night here and I need to use the bathroom so bad. So I'm going to go back to my Airbnb and take a shower, do everything, get a drill, then come back here. Clearly I haven't been a homeowner ever in my life. I didn't have to leave my place. I know my glasses are dirty, by the way. I didn't have to leave this place. I asked my neighbor for a drill, which he didn't have, but he has a whole toolbox. And the owner of the place called my landlord and she showed me how to turn the water on. All I had to do was turn the valve. Oh my god, yo, I'm terrible at this stuff, but you know what, I'm learning. Adulting 101. No more Airbnbs. I'm fending for myself. So now I'm the furniture guy. This next part is a two-man job. I'm alone, so I'm going to try and figure it out and see if I can do it by myself, because you know what, who run the world? Girls. Yo, this is really hard. I can't believe now I put the desk together and everything, but I just realized it's this way. So technically this is the side that I'm supposed to be sitting. I put in the drawer and everything, but look, this part is supposed to be over that side. What do I do now? So the table is finally done. Place is still super empty. I'm getting stuff one by one, but this is what it looks like. That's me. I'm heading over to the dollar store to get some cleaning supplies because the place is dirty. But yeah, my bed is still not set up. I'll set it up when I get the stuff that I need. Yes, that's a dress I was wearing yesterday. But yeah, I'll set up the bed when I get the part that's missing. And yeah, I think I love this small space actually. I cannot wait to make it my own and give it a personality. Let me actually tell you real quick what the things I want to change about this place. You see this divider over here? I saw something on Pinterest where I want to keep the space open, because if I put a curtain, it's going to be closed off and it's going to make the place look small, like this little space in the middle. So what I want to do is get some rails over here. I'm going to share with you a picture of the inspiration. Then this part I want to put a couch that doubles as a bed in case Izzy comes, or anybody else, one of my friends, my sisters, family, whatever, comes to sleep over, they can have somewhere to sleep. And then here is going to be a jungle. I don't know, I'm thinking of making this an accent wall. So what I want to do is just get wallpaper, because I don't think I'm allowed to paint. So I'm just going to get some wallpaper, put it over here, get some plants, put on the side, put the mirror up, and just make this whole spot like a whole different area, like a different vibe. I'm not so much of a TV watcher, so instead of buying a TV, I decided to get a projector because it takes way less space. And I'm just going to put it above here on my bed with just like 2 art pieces or something on the side. Put the projector there and project it on the wall here because it's a plain white wall. Ooh, I'm looking at a man at the rooftop pool. Oh my god, yo, that is crazy. Anyway, I need to end this video. I know it's been all over the place, but as always, don't forget to stay motivated, be patient, trust the process, spread the love. Give this video a thumbs up and I will see you in the next one. See you guys on the pool.